Pythagorean theorem. Very, very interesting. From concept to advanced level we will go. Pythagorean theorem. What is Pythagorean theorem? I hope the proof of Pythagorean theorem is very clear. If angle C is 90 degrees, if angle C is 90 degrees, side opposite to 90 degrees, it is small c. If this is A and it is B, capital A opposite small a, capital B opposite small b. So, just now we have seen c square equivalent to a square plus b square. C square equivalent to a square plus b square. C, it is hypotenuse. C, it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse whole square. Hypotenuse whole square is equivalent to A, it is base. Base whole square. Base whole square plus this is height whole square. I hope the proof is clear. So if anybody asks Pythagorean theorem proof, this is the proof. This is the proof. Hypotenuse whole square equivalent to base whole square plus height whole square. I hope the concept it is clear. I hope the concept is very, very clear to you. A square plus b square equivalent to c square. A, B, C are odd integers. A, B, C are odd integers. How many values A, B, C will take such that this equation is satisfied? A square plus B square equivalent to C square. A, B, C are odd integers. How many values A, B, C can take? Looks like a little tricky question, but actually it's a very interesting question. What is given in the question? A square plus B square equivalent to C square. A, B, C are odd integers. Now if you observe closely, A is an odd number. B is an odd number. A is an odd number, B is an odd number. Odd number on square, it is an odd number. B is an odd number. Odd plus odd. Odd number plus odd number, it will be an even number. Odd number plus odd number, it will be an even number. If I take BC as odd, B is an odd number, C is an odd number. So A square plus odd square is odd number. C square, it is also an odd number. Odd minus odd, it is an even number. So A will be even. Last case, if A is an odd number or C is an odd number, A is odd, C is odd. Odd square odd plus B square. Odd square odd. Odd minus odd, it is even. That means B is even. All the three cannot be odd at the same time. All the three cannot be odd at the same time. So, very, very important. In a Pythagorean triplets, you will not find any of these three odd numbers. You will not find any of these three odd numbers. That means, very, very important. No Pythagorean triplet will have all the three values odd numbers. No Pythagorean triplets will have all the three values odd numbers. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. What is a Pythagorean theorem? Hypotenuse base whole square equivalent to base whole square plus height whole square. Sir, from where it is derived? We have discussed the proof right now. By dropping a perpendicular from C onto hypotenuse, we are getting outer triangle is similar to inside top. Outer triangle is similar to inside bottom. Inside top and bottom are similar. So I took any two. From there I derived Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is AB whole square equivalent to AC whole square plus BC whole square. All the three cannot be odd.